Saturday. Today's open house day for this 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath, 2-car garage, all for $195,000. The address is 31015 White Lock Drive in Wesley, Tampa. This is a maintenance-free living. You have a very cute private backyard. Not so private in the front, but this is your porch. Over to your right, your neighbor has some amazing, beautiful landscaping. The entire neighborhood is kept very clean because it is maintenance free, so you do not have to worry about the exterior of your home, the landscaping, roof. It is all taken care of for you. You have the ability to add more landscaping to your front if you would, just like your neighbor did. But all the top items are taken care of for you. So once you enter into your villa from the front porch, you have the garage entrance to the left of you, and then you have the main house to the right. You have beautiful archways that greet you from the front entrance. Makes this house look super bright, super clean, and huge. To the right, once you show up for the open house, I do ask that you sign in per the seller's request. Once you give over your email and your phone number, I will give you a gift. It is a loot box. What is in the loot box? Something that you will have to find out when you show up. You can help yourself to some hors d'oeuvres, cookies, treats, all the good sugar stuff, water. I love how the kitchen is open. That leads you to the living room, so you do not have any barriers. You can watch TV while you cook. Natural lighting throughout the entire villa. No rear neighbors, so you have complete privacy back there. You have your own little patio. And then to the left, you have your master bedroom. It is large. I love this little book nook. You can really have your own little paradise back there. Add some more additional landscaping to give it more of a tropical feel, and you will feel like you're in Paris. One of the great features about this villa is the master bathroom. You have a separate tub and shower. I can totally soak in there for hours. Dual sinks. I love the colors of the cabinets. Both restrooms have that color. It is beautiful. Then these are like some great features. I love being up close and personal, so you can check your eyebrows out, you know, stuff like that. But typical little shelves have like this, but this is super deceiving. These are custom built and huge. You have them in both of the restrooms. So there's tons of storage in both restrooms. The amazing part about this complex, or this house, and has been such a hit for some other people that have came by that are interested in buying this, is the walk-in closet. Look at the size. All the shelving, that right there is beautiful. I love it. Can never have a large enough closet. Over toward the front, we have the den with French doors. No closet currently in here, but you can always add some furniture to make another bedroom if you needed. This is an adorable hallway. Look at those arches and the built-in whatever ceiling thingies. What do you call those? What's the proper term for that? Decent pantry. And over to your right, you have the laundry room, a bathroom, whoops, and a guest room. So the separate laundry room have shelving, hookups, and a door for privacy. It's those little things that matter the most. Your guest bathroom has beautiful cabinetry. Gotta love those colors. And my favorite feature with this cabinet, and then the little mirror. And then you have a bath and shower combined. Very clean tiles. into your second bedroom. This closet is definitely not as big as your master, but that master is like a whole room as its own. Let's go take a look at the back patio. If decorated properly, you can make this additional room, like your little nook, a lanai area, not a lanai, but like a Florida room. You know, open up the windows for beautiful breeze. Neighbor to your right does a phenomenal job at her landscaping. Look how cute the entryway between you two is. Super cute. You could add on a lanai like your neighbors have. They put a little bench out there as well, so you have access to all of this without having to take care of any of the landscaping. The great thing about this maintenance-free villa is that you do not have to take care of any of the exterior. You don't have to take care of the roof. You don't have to take care of the landscaping. The HOA takes care of it for you, and that's included in your monthly HOA fee. So if you have any questions about this villa or want to stop by for an open house, perhaps you can't make it today, give me a call. We will schedule a private showing. If you would like a list of available houses, whether bigger than this or smaller or more expensive or in a different location, I would be more than happy to help you. So feel free to reach out. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. I will see you next week.